2009 Nissan Maxima. We switched the engine. The engine was overheating, so we got a used engine, low mileage, and then we replaced the engine. We have a problem with the check engine light come on. The car is a 267,866 mile. Let me hook up the computer. See here what. Okay, we have a P0197 oil temperature sensor circuit. So let me go back to the engine, find the location. The sensor, that's the engine, the used one we already put in. The sensor is located down there, the passenger side of the car, the bottom of the engine by the power steering pump. So, but I have the used engine outside, so I'm gonna show you where it is located. That will be easy to find out. That will be easy. So that's the used motor we already replaced it. That's the one we took off. So the power steering pump is located here, and this is the belt tensioner. Behind the belt tensioner, you see the sensor. It's located right there. That's the oil temperature sensor. Do not get confused with the oil pressure sensor, which is located by the oil filter. This is the oil filter, the crankshaft pulley, the sensor, little sensor down there. That's the oil pressure sensor. So I'm gonna go back to the car, see why I get the P0197 code. So I remove the passenger side tire, that make it easy. The sensor is the front right axle. You can look it down there, like I show you on the used engine before. You see the tensioner. Behind the tensioner, you see the sensor is right there. That's the oil temperature sensor. I already disconnect. I checked the wire, see if it was like a broken clip or something. The wire is okay. Like I show you, the oil, that's the oil pressure sensor. Sometimes you need to be careful for that, because that wire has a two connectors. The first one is here. When you follow the wire right there, you can see down, it's all the way down. It'll be difficult to see it. It's connected over there, another connector. So if it was that one, we will check that connector and here. But it's not a cord for oil pressure. It's for the oil temperature, which is located the back of the engine behind the oil, the tensioner. The belt tensioner behind the behind the tensioner. If you can see right there, close to the power steering pump. Okay, so I check the wire, everything is okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna disconnect it. It's a used engine, so the previous engine didn't have this cord. So I'm gonna take the sensor from there and then a switch with that sensor. The previous engine was overheating, but nothing about the oil pressure system. So most likely it might be the sensor might be defect. So I'm gonna switch the sensor and then I take it from there to take away the code P0197. Okay, thank you. I'll see you in the next video.